Everyone, welcome to today's video. So in today's video I'm going to give you a walkthrough, a step-by-step guide on how you can withdraw funds from a Vault on Revolut. Okay, so let's get into today's video. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go over to the Revolut app on your phone. Once there, you need to log in. It'll bring you to this screen as you can see here. So once you're here, you need to go up to the top bar where it says accounts, cards, stocks, crypto, and then Vault. So you need to click on Vault. Okay. So once you're in Vaults, there's no actual button here to withdraw, which I think is a bit silly, but the easiest thing to do is on the top where it says Vaults, where mine says Shop Money, yours will be whatever it's called, and it has your balance, click on that. Okay, so once you click on that, do it again, it'll bring you to this screen, and in this screen you can withdraw funds from your Vault. Okay, so let's click withdraw. So let's see, my account is quite low, so I'm going to withdraw €1,001 because I'm going to make a transfer. So the €1 will cover the fees. So the next thing you need to do is you need to click confirm. You've withdrawn 1,000 from your Vault. If you have more than one account, you may need to select which account. So it doesn't matter whether this is euros or whether it's GBP. It's the same process for them all. Go back to my account, and now we can see I've topped up my account by €1,001. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you very much.